Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on VIVO V2023. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find the app called Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can begin a setup and sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, you can set Microsoft Edge as a default browser or skip it. And from here, from now, we can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.